Hello, 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 and welcome to Tips for Your Voice. A lot of people try to sing the Star Spangled Banner and fear grips them. As soon as they know they're going to do it, they're like, oh no, the note. At the end, the note at the end. Well, I have to tell you, that note is done twice. And it's before the end and after the end that should calm you a little bit, maybe. Well, let's go over how you can do that, all right? So we have land of the free and the home of the brave. Okay, so it's that free that freaks us out. But rockets, red glare, free, same note. Same note, okay? The difference is, though, it's an E. Land of the free. An E, it's hard to do. So this is how you practice in order to get those notes. I had a student that had to do it. And she hadn't been singing for a while, so when she came to me, she was doing some things that weren't getting her the note. She wasn't able to achieve the note, especially at the end. So it was kind of scary. And we tried to do it and, no, say. Now I can sing really low, and I sing, if I sang it, I would have to either sing it really low like I just did, or really high. Okay, so I could do it that way, or I could do it the way I just did it. But with her, she couldn't sing the lower notes. So we had to adjust to the key that was going to work hitting the low note, because the low note was going to, oh, say, right there, but she was, oh, say. So the low note, you think of air happening with the low note if you need to go a little bit lower because the high notes are freaking you out. So we got a key that was going to work for her. And then we had to work with high notes. Now again, both of those places, the notes are the same, but it's the way that you're approaching it. One is, comes right there, and the other one goes like that. So that feels like it's a hill. It feels like it's a mountain to climb. So what do? You transpose it, meaning you bring it down and then make an exercise out of it. So, so it is, let's see. Rockets, red glare, rockets, red glare. Now that's too high for me. Okay, so now we're going to do it here. Rockets, red glare. And then you modulate, okay? Rockets, red glare, rockets, red glare, rockets, red glare. Now, I got up to the note that I wanted, but she needed higher ones. So you just modulate, you go up and then bring it down. Now, maybe you don't have someone to help you with that, or maybe you aren't playing another instrument, but take it down. Take it down a little bit lower. Okay, try it. Rockets, red glare. And again, you're going to have to be able to hit those notes. So if you come to me, I'll play it for you. We figured out, okay, we can do it that way. Got her up to the notes. And then the other one is do, re, mi, fa, sol. So, do, re, mi, fa, sol. Land of the free. Okay, so now I went down. Land of the free. And the tip of the tongue, you press down the tip of the tongue. Land of the free. Land of the free. And I think of really lifting free. Sometimes the tongue a little bit forward will help to open up the back, because the tongue is up high in the back, free, and so it feels like you're going to hurt yourself. So the tendency is to squinch and defend yourself against the note. You can't do that. Major, not minor. Land of the free. See, I'm opening up. I'm allowing the tongue to press down here and lift, but a little bit forward, and now I left room in the back. It opened up a little bit. You heard it. It changed a teeny bit, but that little bit opened it up and might make you feel a little bit better about the note. You also psychologically have to know, I hit it over here. I can hit it in this position too. I'm going to be okay. Mentally, you have to really be positive about it. Go about land of the free and the whole, and and then you have to hold that note because that's the one everybody goes, oh my gosh, So remember, the body too, the body is confident. You can take your shoulder blades and pull them together in the back, all right? And then you have the note. Let me see, the tongue forward, pressing down on the tip of the tongue. Those are the things that you need. I gotta tell you that my student, she ended up singing it beautifully. We practiced here, we recorded it, and it went really well. Now, a lot of times you have to do it outside. So, number one, how are you gonna get your note? You record it on your phone, just the note. So I know my beginning note, and I played that for me, and for her, we played her beginning notes. Now, before she went on, you play the note and keep reiterating that in your head. Don't think of anything else but that note in your head, all right? And now you've got that note in your head because you're going to sing it usually a cappella, right? Okay, you've got it in your head. Now, what if you're dry-mouthed? I said this before. Press the tip of your tongue. The tip of the tongue. Press down on it with your teeth. You'll start saliva. If you have water there, great. A lot of times you can't take water with you, so what are you going to do? You need to do that. It's outside, it might be cold or whatever. Mouth manipulations. It is in my book. Oh, shameless plug. It's in my book. Yes, it's non-singing exercises. So rotate the tongue. That's the first thing. There's a few other, I'm not going to tell you. There's a few others, all right? And you can warm up your muscles. Really warm yourself up. Wear something nice and warm so that you aren't cold, okay? Now, if it is very warm, okay, you're great. You're going to sweat. Remember, you've got to think about nothing else but your performance. I'm a pro. Nothing gets to me. And also, when you're performing, don't fix your hair, You do that. I do this before I come on stage, before I come on this stage here. I make sure that I look halfway decent. Oh my gosh. And then when we're doing it, I'm not fixing everything. So make sure you don't fix anything if you feel, oh, it's wrong. Get it together before you go on. Make sure that you are comfortable. You've eaten a teeny bit so that your blood level, your sugar level isn't too low. So you're animated. Remember the shoulder blades. You can hit those notes. Go for it. It's a wonderful song. Yes. God bless America, honey. Okay, subscribe. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah. Woo. Okay, leave a comment too. See you later. Bye-bye.